Hello, my name is Farzad Hejazi. I'm Associate Professor in Civil Engineering Department from University of Putra, Malaysia. Our invention title is Rubber Restrainer device, which is applicable in bridges and also in structures to protect them against severe vibration. I'm making up this video from Manchester, UK, where I came to approach the UK government to use of this device in the structures as well as in the bridge to protect them against vibration. Our team member is included of myself from UPM, Dr. Prof. Muhammad Saleh Jafar, Professor from UPM, Dr. Thomas Chong from Hercules Engineering, the company which already licensed this product for mass production to use in the industrial project, and also Hengame Farahpur, our PhD candidate from University of Putra, Malaysia. Nowadays, by increasing of the population, advancing of the cities, there are a lot of the moving loads around the structure which can cause severe vibration in the structure in the long term. This vibration can cause damage to the structure, even building collapse. So there are a lot of the different sources of the vibration in the structure, such as a lift and also equipment in the structure, and also vehicle movement in the parking, even the train movement around the structure can cause a lot of severe vibrations. So we try to just innovate a special device to use in the buildings as well as in the bridge to dissipate this vibration effect in the structure and protect them against harmful effects.
By considering the potential of natural rubber in absorbing the vibration effect, the new shear and volumetric rubber bracing device has been developed by implementing high damping rubber to install within structural frame in order to provide non-linear lateral stiffness as well as damping to diminish the structural vibration. The action of rubber damper device is low for the small vibrations to provide enough ductility for these structures. However, the resistance force of device is dramatically increased due to rubber function to prevent of undesired deformation in the building during applied lateral loads. This device can be easily installed in the frame as a new bracing system. With low cost and less installation effort to absorb the structural vibration, also it is applicable in bridges as well.
By implementing of a high damping rubber which is made from Malaysian rubber, which has a high potential to absorb the vibration, we already developed a special rubber restrainer device to implement to the structure to dissipate vibration effect in the structure as well as in bridge. The main components of the rubber restrainer device are piston shaft, which located inside of the outer cylinder tube, and both of them equipped with some divider plates. The rubber tube, which made using a special our developed high damping rubber material, are positioned within the divider plates of the piston shaft and outer tube cylinder. Then the main body welded to the two pin joints at the both ends to connect the damper device to the structure joints. Therefore, through movement of the structure, the rubber components are act within the divider plates by pushing the piston shaft and generate resistant force against applied vibration. This invention already filed for the patent in Malaysia, US, Canada, Germany and New Zealand, which patent already granted.
Based on extensive experiences of Hercules company led by Dr. Thomas in the field of vibration isolation systems, UPM and Hercules are collaborated for joint research and further development of damper systems to implement the developed vibration dissipation device in real construction projects. The main aim of this research group is to provide safe shelter for more than 1 billion people against natural disasters.
This product already presented to the Deputy Director of the JKR Malaysia, and based on the advantages of this invention, the JKR is already approved to implement it in some of the bridges in Malaysia to protect them against the traffic loads during the peak hours and also reduce the maintenance costs and also increase the effective life of the structures. This product already received funds from Platform Venture Malaysia for around 1,453,000 ringgit on the program of Innovate with High Impact program in order to conduct tests in full scale and apply for the all required certification in order to use of this device in the real industry project, in the buildings and also in the structure. Thereafter, this device already tested in University California, San Diego by using of the shaking table and also high strong dynamic actuator in order to just certify the performance of this device in order to just use in the design of the bridge and also the structures. So the result indicating of the high performance of this device to dissipate and protect of the structure and also the bridge against applied vibrations. The strength of the rubber restrainer device can be listed as having 5 international patents, including of the Malaysia, US, Japan, Canada, and New Zealand, having the high performance in comparison of the similar product in the market, and having the less maintenance as the rubber able to function for the long term, for the 20 years, for the 30 years without having any damage, and also the easy manufacturing and availability of the raw material, which is the rubber, and also the steel material made this device as a cost effective to easy sell in the market. So if we just comparison this device with a similar product in the market, it can be considered as high performance, no power supply required, availability of the raw material, no destructive effect can be done on the structure, and maintenance free and the custom made. In comparison of the other product in the market, which is a viscous wall damper, viscous damper device, MR damper device based isolation on the conventional system. And also the price of this device is almost can be estimated as 1,500 USD, which is the comparison of the other systems, which is almost 2 or 3 times less price, which is the easy to penetrate inside the market. So in here, the overall assembly of this device inside the building can be seen. So that this device can be used and assembled in the structure and installed in the structure as a diagonal bracing member and connected to the beam column joints. So it's able to just operate within in each story and can be installed in each story to reduce the inter-story drift. So it can be seen about how is the installation, how is the configuration of the structure and this device in the structure. As mentioned before, this device can be used as a diagonal member in one bay or in the few bays depending on the designs. So all of the different components of this device already include of the rubber tubes already made through of the finite element and nonlinear analysis made to make sure about all of the different parts of this device are compatible and working with each other. As mentioned before, this product already licensed to the Hercules Engineering Syndrome Hub for mass production and use in the industrial projects such as structures as well as the bridges. So this is our recent project, which is the Maktarpur bridge in Bangladesh, which already approached Bangladesh government to use of this invention in this bridge. So it's supposed to use of 30 number of this device in this bridge. The main feature of this invention in a glance can be described within the 5 criteria. The first, which is the originality of the invention, in terms of the having intellectual properties, the patent already filed for this invention in 5 countries, including of Malaysia, US, Canada, Germany, and New Zealand. In terms of the publication, 2 papers already published for Restrainer bracing device in Q1 and Q2 journals. Also, the details of the rubber restrainer device already published in 2 newspapers of Star and Cosmo through few reporters' interview. Also, as a media coverage, this device is already showed in TV program by Astro Awani and also the TV1 in Do It program. The second criteria, which is applicability of this invention in terms of the usefulness of the rubber restrainer device as demonstrated before, through its high performance, this device can protect the structures and bridges against any applied dynamic loads as well as natural hazard. It's cost effective and easy able to manufacture and also able to reduce the maintenance and also the construction costs. In due diligence aspect, many studies have been conducted for this product, such as a market study, SWOT analysis, problem and solution interview, and thereafter all government and technical requirements are reviewed. This is study made through the SAM course in Malaysia. So regarding the impact degree of this invention, it can be summarized as it's guarantee the safety of the structure and bridge and reduce the maintenance costs as well as increase the effective life of the buildings. Therefore, due to these advantages, JKR approved the use of this device in bridge in Malaysia. Also, all the new designs of the device and also new development made a difference in comparison to the other products available in the market to protect the structure against harmful vibrations. The status of this innovation can be considered as 8 and 9 as commercial, transition, and semi-works scale technology demonstrations. In aspect of commercial potential, as we have made many market study and approached the industries, there is an intense and wide market for this product in US and Europe beside Malaysia and Asia market. Therefore, we have made all our business plan and market strategy to penetrate in the international market as well. Also, as mentioned before, this product already licensed to Hercules Engineering Center and Berhad for mass production and use in the industrial project in bridge and also the structure, and it's already commercialized to use in the bridge. Our main aim is to develop affordable system to use in the structure to protect them against severe vibration due of a natural hazard and environmental effect. Thanks for watching of this video, and please contact us for any more further information and documentation. Thank you.